No man chef, and you cook this. This tastes good.
Believe you say I'm cooking.
Are you cook this, chef?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah man, the nigga put in the work, and when he did just start up, everybody I look down upon him like say, him ain't gonna make it. You see me? Real youth know what you want. The morning just start out, everybody a laugh of time, everybody in the kitchen a laugh of time.
What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend. We're out here. We are doing it.
Make the world it better. Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father.
Good Soulfly fam, you know it's your boy Henry. You know, so we're back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar. We're out here where they are doing it like every day, people. You know, judging from the title, people know what time it is. We just do some breakfast, see boy them, you see me. So, but then we say, oh, could I do for them? Get some banana. So you say, alright, banana fritters. Try them with the banana fritters. And them favorite porridge. So we do some similar porridge for them, you see me. Mix it up, put the oats in there, look a twist, cause one of them love oats. So I put the oats in there. So only just follow with that direction, people follow with that direction. Right in the motherfucker. Right now the kitchen. Not the right now the kitchen. Yeah. Crazy. You see me? Always. So
Mama?
Cause yes I do. Look. Yeah? You see it?
boom, baby, boom.
Mommy. Yeah. You see if I reach?
Boom, baby, boom.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mwah.
When love comes in, ooh la la la. Love comes in, ooh la la la. When love comes in, ooh la la la. Love comes in, ooh la la la.
Yes, so guys, now we are prepared with banana fritters. So all we do, we crush a banana, flour. So it's banana, flour, salt, and a little bit of sugar. So we're going to incorporate the banana with the flour. First we're going to mix out the salt into the flour. Then we're going to pour the banana into the center, mix it out. Then pour a little water in there and mix it to get a paste-like texture. Then we're gonna heat up our oil and We have different type of way we do flitters in Jamaica. So half-fish flitters, normal flitters, banana flitters. So as we said, this morning we just we're gonna prepare it with the porridge. So creamy nigga, yeah. Some creamy. Then boom in the pot. So you know when I put this in the pot, we're gonna turn on the stove, people. See that? We have vanilla, salt, the nutmeg. I would just flick like this tonight, people. Let's look a tip. You see me? Give the boy them look of flavor to the porridge. Give them look of flavor to the porridge. So porridge. So we just mix in. Mix this small line of water and then pour it in the pot. Then just pour the oats into the pot. So people, I wish you could have smelled this right now. Trust me, I wish you could have smelled the flavor of the vanilla, the nutmeg, and the mixed spice. Remember, a little bit of mixed spice. So I turn the back your flame low. Chatty box. Oats. Yeah. So we got the porridge on low flame. We're just alright, so we're gonna boil this porridge now, people. We're not bother put back any pot cover on this porridge. Just turn on the stove low. Make it go and boil. The oats is a twist, because through one of the boys them love oats, we put the oats in it. Not say one of the boy them through Nakai love oats, because they must know them might know. Nakai and Nakwan. Justin, the upper in mother. Yep. Now over to this side, we just turn on the fire. Friday. Flitters. First, we give them the splitter story still, so we just try it. Uncle. Uncle.
Nunca